Biofertilizers. Part 2. Biofertilizers recommended for crops, application of biofertilizers to crops, precautions to be taken while using biofertilizers. Application of biofertilizers to crops, seed treatment. Each packet 200 gram of inoculant is mixed with 200 ml of rice gruel or jaggery solution. The seeds required for 1 hectare are mixed in the slurry so as to have uniform coating of the inoculants over the seeds and then shade dried for 30 minutes. The treated seeds should be used within 24 hours. 1 packet of inoculant is sufficient to treat 10 kg seeds. Application of biofertilizers to crop, seedling root dip. This method is used for transplanted crops. 5 packets, 1 kilogram of the inoculants are required for 1 hectare and mixed with 40 liters of water. The root portion of the seedlings is dipped in the solution for 5 to 10 minutes and then transplanted. Azospirillum is used for seedling root dip, particularly for rice. Application of biofertilizers to crops, soil treatment. 4 kg each of the recommended biofertilizers are mixed in 200 kg of compost and kept overnight. The mixture is incorporated in the soil at the time of sowing or planting. Use of worm biofertilizer, vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizal. The inoculum should be applied 2 to 3 cm below the soil at the time of sowing. The seeds are sown or cuttings planted just above the worm inoculums so that the roots may come in contact with the inoculums and cause infection. Bulk inoculums of 100 gram is sufficient for 1 meter square area. Seedlings raised in polythene bags need 5 to 10 gram of bulk inoculums per bag. At the time of planting of saplings, worm inoculums is to be applied at the rate of 20 gram per seedling in each spot. In the existing tree, inoculums of 200 gram is required for each tree. Use of blue-green algae BGA. Algal culture is applied as dried flakes at 10 kg per hectare over the standing water in field rice. This is done 2 days after transplanting in loamy soils and 6 days after planting in clayey soils. The field is kept waterlogged for few days immediately after algal application. The biofertilizer is to be applied for 3 to 4 consecutive seasons in the same field. Use of azolla. Green manure. Azolla is applied at the rate 0.6 to 1 kg per meter square, 6.25 to 10 tons per hectare and incorporated before transplanting of rice. Dual crop. Azolla is applied at the rate of 100 gram per meter square, 1.25 ton per hectare, 1 to 3 days after transplanting of rice and allowed to multiple for 25 to 30 days. Azolla fronds can be incorporated into the soil at the time of first weeding. Tips to get good response to biofertilizer application. Biofertilizer product must contain good effective strain in appropriate population and should be free from contaminating microorganisms. Select right combination of biofertilizers and use before expiry date. Use suggested method of application and apply at appropriate time as per information provided on the label. For seed treatment, adequate adhesive should be used for better results. For problematic soils, use corrective methods like lime or gypsum pelleting of seeds or correction of soil pH by use of lime. Ensure the supply of phosphorus and other nutrients. Precautions to take while using biofertilizers. Biofertilizer packets need to be stored in cool and dry place away from direct sunlight and heat. Right combinations of biofertilizers have to be used. As rhizobium is crop specific, one should use for the specified crop only. Other chemicals should not be mixed with biofertilizers. While purchasing, one should ensure that each packet is provided with necessary information like name of the product, name of the crop for which intended, name and address of the manufacturer, date of manufacture, date of expiry, batch number, and instructions for use. The packet has to be used before its expiry, only for the specified crop and by the recommended method of application. Biofertilizers are live product and require care in the storage. Both nitrogenous and phosphatic biofertilizers are to be used to get the best results. It is important to use biofertilizers along with chemical fertilizers and organic manures. Biofertilizers are not replacement of fertilizers but can supplement plant nutrient requirements. List of commonly produced biofertilizers in India. Rhizobium strains, Acetobacter, Azospirillum, phosphate solubilizers, blue-green algae and azolla, mycorrhizae or worm are the most commonly used and produced biofertilizers in India. From the table, you can get details about the crop suited, direct benefits, and other remarks. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.